Hello there and welcome back to our window garden. Today we are in the beautiful setting of St. Alban's in Romford. It would be difficult to not think about the tradition of stained glass windows that is so strong in this country. You can think of all the Victorian houses and how they used to have all these beautiful stained glass doors and windows. You can see that stained glass windows are still being used, and it can still be a form of contemporary art, and we thought that that would be a nice setting for this workshop today. So we are going to start working on our little stained glass window today. I finally decided to go for a couple of kind of big flowers in the middle, and now we're gonna build around that maybe a little bit of grass on the ground and maybe a little bit of sky on top of it. And once we've done that, we will start covering all the gaps with black paper, and as I say, we're gonna do it all like a bit free flow. We're gonna be cutting and sticking bits and pieces a little bit like a mosaic. So now we have our flowers, we have our ground, a little bit of grass, we have the sky, so all the colors are there. And now the last thing we're gonna do is we're just gonna cut strips of black paper and create that nice contrast between light and dark that makes stained glass windows so beautiful. So now here we have our window garden number 4, stained glass window inspired, and we hope you have enjoyed it. Please do make your own windows, please make your window gardens and talk to other people and get them doing their gardens as well, so that we can have a beautiful creative display around Romford and we can talk to each other through our windows. It seems that we will soon be able to come together again, but in the meantime let's try and talk to each other through our creative work. So thank you so much, and we will see you in window garden number 5. Okay, bye bye now from St. Alban's in Romford. Lovely environment, beautiful light. What else can you ask for?